So, if you want to fix Yealink phone if it has no service, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, first things first is you want to give the phone a fresh restart. Now, the quickest fix is often just rebooting the phone. Unplug the Ethernet cable or power adapter here, wait for about around like 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Then restart or a restart here forces the phone to reconnect to the network and your VoIP or voice over IP. Now, also, on you may want to make sure the network cable is fully connected as well. So on the Yealink phones, the internet port needs to be connected to your router or switch. Now, if the cable is loose or in the wrong port, your phone can talk to the server and shows no service. So give both ends a firm push just to be sure. And also, you may want to check if the phone is getting an IP address. So what you need to do is you want to go into Start menu. You want to go to Status, go to Network, and on the phone you want to look for an IP address. Now, if it just shows 0.0.0.0, well, the phone isn't getting internet. Now, if it has a normal IP, like 192.168, something like that, well, the issue is more likely with an account registration. Now, also, you may want to confirm the SIP account is registered. So, you want to go to menu, you want to go to status, then go to account, and check if your SIP or extension shows registered. Now, if it says unregistered or disabled, well, your phone isn't logged into the phone system. So, this usually means the username, password, or server address needs to be re entered. Now, also, sometimes the phone is fine. So, but the network device is connected or the device in it connects to is stuck. So you may want to restart your router or network switch so the phone can get fresh network handshake. Now, you'd be surprised how often this clears the no service error instantly. And also, if it still says no service, you may want to reach out to your VoIP provider. At that point, the phone might not be registering because your extension are disabled, your server address changed, or your password was reset, and the provider is having an outage here. So they can refresh your account or resend a provisioning file to fix it. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.